Hi, this is Ernie from REI Leadership Academy, home of the Probate Fox. And I want to tell you about something that's kind of cool and exciting. I guess I don't talk about this often, but one of the methods that I'm able to communicate with sellers who don't speak English is by my friendships and associations with friends who speak those languages. So, for example, in LA, we have a big population of Spanish speakers. I'm bilingual, so I get to converse with these people, which I love. Having two languages is definitely an advantage, and it's been very helpful for me. And to that, I'll say that I actually just launched a Spanish channel because I've got many students out there that their first language is Spanish, and they too want to get into the game of real estate investing. So I'm here to serve them as well. But I'll tell you that LA is also a big population with a lot of Asian people, and we have a lot of Chinese people in the greater Los Angeles area. And so I've got people on my team who speak both Cantonese and Mandarin, which are two big languages here for the Chinese community. And it seems to me that more and more that population is growing, so I look very forward to growing my team with the Asian population. So I recommend that you have friends, depending on where you live in the country, that you have people that speak some of these languages in your circles. I also have, I actually grew up in a Vietnamese apartment building, and so my entire life in my upbringing was with Vietnamese people. And so I do know a little bit of Vietnamese, and not as much as I should, but I do have a good source of Vietnamese friends. So at the end of the day, there's many ways that we can serve people. We shouldn't let anything get in the way, is what I want to tell you. Don't let anything, not even a language barrier, don't let that get in your way. There's always a solution to every problem, and where there is a will, there is a way. I'm a big believer in that. So language should never be an obstacle. And also, when it comes to rapport building, it helps to have somebody that culturally understands your prospect, that understands not only the language, but understands the lingo and understands the culture. That's always helpful. And so it's been very helpful for me to have people from different cultures and different backgrounds and different languages that they speak, because it helps advance, you know, my real estate business to really obtain more properties. So I recommend that you seek for that. If you're looking for a Spanish speaker, by the way, and somebody to help you, we've got some of those people here that we can help you, one of them being myself. So that's what I want to tell you about today's video. Definitely like our video, comment, and expect for great things to come your way. We've got a lot planned for this year. We have been putting so much in to generate more content for you. I've got a whole host of things that are coming, and so be on the lookout for that. I'm very excited. So like the video, and we'll see you soon.